Welcome to SP News and Knowledge, your portal to unraveling the mysteries of the world. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets veiled within the enigmatic walls of Area 51. Situated in the heart of the Nevada desert, amidst a barren and seemingly boundless landscape, lies a facility that has ignited the imagination and curiosity of millions worldwide, Area 51. The name alone breathes an air of mystery and intrigue. For decades, this heavily fortified facility has been the epicenter of numerous conspiracy theories. Again, from covert military operations and advanced technology testing to alleged extraterrestrial encounters and interdimensional portals, the rumors surrounding this place are as vast as the desert in which it sits. A popular belief among many is that Area 51 serves as a hub for extraterrestrial activities, a statement that has both its believers and skeptics. But what's the reality? What secrets are nestled behind the guarded fences and the vigilant eyes of the military personnel? Area 51, deeply rooted in the Nevada desert, has long been shrouded in secrecy. Speculations are rife about what really transpires behind its heavily guarded perimeter. As we journey deeper into the heart of Area 51, the mysteries only deepen. What experiments are being conducted within these walls? And what truth is the government hiding from us? Now, as we lend some credibility to the whirlpool of theories swirling around this enigmatic facility, we turn to an inside source. Our source, a former employee of Area 51, has agreed to share his experiences, albeit anonymously, to protect his identity. His words are cloaked in caution, his voice altered, but the message is as clear as a Nevada desert night sky. Working at Area 51, he begins, is not like any other job. You don't just clock in and clock out. You live and breathe secrecy. Every day brings a new challenge, a new discovery, a new secret to be kept. The public's fascination with Area 51 is understandable, but the reality is far more complex and far more chilling than any science fiction story. There are projects being conducted there that aren't just classified. They're beyond comprehension for the average person. His voice drops to a whisper. Some of the technologies I've seen, they don't belong to this world. They challenge everything we know about physics, about reality, about our place in the universe. He takes a deep breath and delivers a chilling warning. People think they want to know the truth about Area 51, but the truth is not always easy to accept, nor is it safe to pursue. There's a reason why it's the most guarded place on Earth. As his words hang in the air, a shiver runs down our spine. We can't help but wonder, what is really happening behind those guarded walls? What secrets are so monumental that they must remain hidden from the world? I can't reveal much, but I can tell you this. What the public knows is just the tip of the iceberg. There are things happening there that would make your blood run cold. And with that, our inside source falls silent, leaving us to ponder the magnitude of the mysteries hidden within Area 51. But beware, for those who seek the truth may find themselves in grave danger. Rumors of government cover-ups and extraterrestrial encounters have plagued this secretive facility for decades. As we delve deeper into the mystery that is Area 51, we must tread with caution. The pursuit of truth is not without its risks. For years, brave souls have crossed the line of danger, venturing into the shadows in search of answers. Many have faced the wrath of the government's iron fist, their pursuits silenced, their voices suppressed. Government cover-ups have been a persistent part of Area 51's narrative. Whispered tales of classified documents, shredded in the dead of night. Stories of scientists, their identities hidden behind veils of secrecy, working on projects so classified that even their families are kept in the dark. The government's blanket of silence only fuels the fires of speculation. What are they trying so desperately to hide? And then there are the alleged extraterrestrial encounters. The stories are as varied as they are chilling. Sightings of unidentified flying objects, strange lights dancing in the desert night, reports of otherworldly technology advanced beyond our wildest imaginings. Eyewitness accounts of beings not of this world, their existence denied by those in power. The danger in the truth about Area 51 is real. It's a path fraught with risks, a journey into the heart of the unknown, yet it's a journey that we must undertake. Because the truth, however unsettling, is a beacon that guides us through the fog of deception. As we venture deeper into the mystery, we must hold on to our courage. The labyrinth of Area 51's secrets is dark and treacherous, but we must keep going. We must keep asking questions, keep seeking the truth. With each passing minute, the tension mounts. What secrets lie buried beneath the desert sands of Area 51? Join us as we journey deeper into the unknown. As we peel back the layers of secrecy, we come face to face with the unknown. The enigmatic heart of Area 51, guarded, reclusive, and shrouded in mystery. What could be happening inside this high-security facility? Begins. Let's delve into the theories that have captured the public's imagination. First up, experimental aircraft testing. Many believe that Area 51 serves as the testing ground for the government's most advanced and secretive aircraft. Stealth technology, hypersonic speeds, and even cloaking capabilities. The fruits of mankind's technological prowess, possibly hidden away from prying eyes. Could the UFO sightings in the area be nothing more than test runs of these cutting-edge machines? Then we have the theory of alien technology research. This is among sci-fi fans and conspiracy theorists alike. It's suggested that Area 51 is the hub where the government studies and reverse engineers extraterrestrial technology. The infamous Roswell incident of 1947 is often cited as evidence where it's believed an alien spacecraft crashed and was hastily transported to Area 51. Could the strange otherworldly devices glimpsed in the shadows of this facility be alien in origin? We also hear whispers of other classified projects. From time manipulation experiments to weather control devices, the rumors are as wild as they are numerous. Some even speak of advanced artificial intelligence and robotics research, or biological experiments that push the boundaries of ethical science. It's a labyrinth of speculation, where each turn reveals a new potential secret. But there's a darker side to these theories as well. Some suggest that Area 51 is a site of human rights violations, where the government conducts experiments on unwilling subjects. These claims, though largely unsubstantiated, add a chilling dimension to the mystery surrounding this facility. As we sift through these theories, it's important to remember that the nature of Area 51 is inherently secretive. It's a classified facility, and the US government is under no obligation to disclose what happens within its boundaries. Even the most plausible theories are, at the end of the day, on speculation, hearsay, and sometimes pure imagination. But it is this very secrecy that fuels our curiosity. The human mind abhors a vacuum, and in the of concrete information, it fills the gaps with possibilities. And so, the enigma of Area 51 continues to captivate us, drawing us into its web of secrets and sparking endless debates and discussions. The truth behind Area 51 remains elusive, but one thing is certain: the more we uncover, the more questions we have. In our quest for knowledge, we must remember that not all secrets are meant to be uncovered, and not all mysteries are meant to be solved. But that won't stop us from trying. After all, the thrill of chase is often just as exhilarating as the discovery itself. Stay curious, keep questioning, never stop seeking the truth. Until next time, this is SP News and Knowledge signing off. Area 51, a name that has become synonymous with secrecy and intrigue. We've journeyed through the desert, listened to whispers from inside sources, and delved deeper into the mysteries that shroud this enigmatic location. The speculation surrounding Area 51 continues to fuel our curiosity, and it's clear that the thirst for truth is far from quenched. Behind heavily guarded perimeter of Area 51, we've heard tales, covert operations, advanced technology, and potentially evidence of extraterrestrial encounters. But remember, these are mere pieces of a much larger puzzle waiting to be assembled. The allure of Area 51 lies in its secrets, the unknown that beckons us, question, to probe, to seek. And as we continue our quest for truth, we remain committed to unveiling the mysteries that lie beneath the desert sands of Nevada. So stay tuned to SP News and Knowledge for the next thrilling installment in our exploration of the world's most enigmatic mysteries. Until then, remember, the truth out there.